Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, then I do offer a quick explanation video right there at that link. So if you go there, I will explain it to you in detail, and then we'll all be on the same page. I did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green line here is coming from. And yes, that level down there still plays a role, but and I stumble over my words because this is one of those tricky charts where I can understand both sides where you're saying, well, is this bullish chart or is this a bearish chart? Because the price did gap up, but then it pulled back quite a bit. But it's also not like the price totally crashed. So, I mean, is this bullish or bearish going forward? Like I said, a more than valid kind of confusion point there. And for me, the main level that really is going to help us out going forward is this level right here at $1.55. Why is $1.55 important? Well, let's look at a couple different possible scenarios. Not saying this will happen, but like I said, it'll help us answer the questions here. But let's say that the price goes down to $1.55 and then just continues on down. What would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would have the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out of today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does go down here a little bit more, but in this situation behaves in that manner before starting to work its way back upwards. Now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows down here. If you envision each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction, and that's what a truly bullish move is going to do. So $1.55 is kind of like our dictionary, and it's helping us define some terms here, meaning is the price, quote unquote, going back to where it was? That associated with bearishness, or is the price, quote unquote, making progress? That associated with bullishness. So a lot of eyeballs going to be watching $1.55 for this reason. So let's see if the price is indeed going to start to, make some progress forward, or is the price going to fall right back inside of this channel, that it's already broken up above. As far as levels of resistance now going into Wednesday, keep a very close eye on that pink line right there. That is the 200 period moving average. And 200 period right now is being valued at $1.64. Keyword though being moving, so as the week plays out, that line will move itself lower and lower, and therefore that price will also drop in value. So keep an eye on those levels going forward. But yeah, today, nice move, but kind of sketchy, because is this bullish or bearish? Let's see if the price can stay up above $1.55 or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.